Sometimes there may seem to be a match, but other times that supposed match leads to chaos. That's kind of what happens in the immune system when someone has an allergic reaction. Allergic reactions begin with the unfortunate match between an antibody and an allergen. An antibody is a tiny particle that comes from B cells and is meant to attach to evil matching pieces called antigens. When an antigen binds to an antibody, the battle between your immune system and the invader begins. In the case of allergies, something has bound to an antibody that isn't actually an invader. We call these innocent convicts allergens. Thankfully, the B cell can't automatically attack its matching piece because it has to wait for a T cell to give it the okay, like how a teacher might approve your paper. Sometimes the T cell prematurely approves the match, so the B cell clones itself and spews its faulty antibodies everywhere. These antibodies have a high affinity for mast cells, and when they bind, that triggers the mast cell to release its sack of chemicals, including histamine. These chemicals increase mucus production. Histamine also increases the width and permeability of blood vessels, which causes hives, or, on the more severe end, lowers blood pressure to the point of causing anaphylaxis. These chemicals also trigger smooth muscles to constrict, which can cause the throat to close. This whole process gets logged in the immune memory, so this could happen all over again if you re-encounter your allergen. Luckily, medications like antihistamines and epinephrine combat these wacky reactions. Moral of the story: immune matchmaking doesn't always end well.